Veteran actress Susan Roses visited Dolphy's wake yesterday. She shared memories of her longtime relationship with the comedy king. Aya Ionon has that story.
Dolphy starred in Dugong Buhay, a film produced by the father of Fernando Poe Jr. and father-in-law to veteran actress Susan Roses. Dolphy again appeared in 2 movies with FPJ under De Lenore Productions. But the association with Susan Roses went a long way back, way before they started their film careers. Susan's best friend, Georgie, was a younger sibling of Dolphy. She remembers how Dolphy was kind enough to teach her how to act in front of the camera. They appeared together at age 14 in the comedy flick, Boksingera Daw. Dolphy supported her career in more ways than she could remember. She also worked under RVQ Productions, which was owned by the late comedy king. Last night was the only time Susan got to visit Dolphy at the Heritage Park.
Dolphy, mamimiss ka namin. Promise, walang iyakan. Alam ko, ayaw mo yan. Hello na lang. Kirani. Alam ko naman, kahit na wala na kayo dito, na hindi namin kayo nakikita, pero ramdam namin, hindi nyo kami iniiwan.
Susan recalled Dolphy was more of a listener than a storyteller. Most of their bonding moments were spent over food. The master comedian had a taste for traditional Filipino fare like kare-kare and adobo. The last time Susan saw Dolphy was in July last year, when they both appeared in a television sitcom. Her biggest regret, Dolphy didn't live long enough to receive a National Artist Award.
Malaki kayong kawalan sa industriya. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinuro mo sa amin. Hindi lamang sa pag-arte, kung hindi sa pakikipagkapwa-tao, higit sa lahat. Salamat sa pagiging napakabuti mong kaibigan. Salamat sa pagiging matulungin mo nang hindi mo ipinangangalandakan, quiet lang. Maraming salamat, Dolphy. I love you.
Aya Ionon, Solar News.